I'm going to take a quick look at the unboxing and the setup of these smart light bulbs. These are by Teckin. There's a 2-pack. These are actually, I think they were BR30 style, something along those lines. So you can use these in recessed lighting or basically anything else you wanted to. So the bulb is no bigger or smaller really than a standard R30 type light bulb. So they seem to be pretty well packaged. Actually got some bulk to them as well. So those are the bulbs, and then we have a little bit of documentation here for the setup, I'm assuming. Setup and use. So yeah, nothing special. And also we have this out here. We have the warranty card. 3-year warranty actually on these things, 36 months. Pretty great for a light bulb. Anyway, I'm gonna put one of these in a lamp and kind of run through the setup and show you how they work. The standard lamp. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scan this little QR code, download the app, and then I'll do a screen recording to show you how to set it all up. So once you have an account set up, you're going to go ahead and hit the add device button. Then you'll hit light and Wi-Fi light. Once you have the bulb on and it's blinking rapidly, you can hit next and put in your Wi-Fi information. So obviously I cut that out because I don't want that to be my password to be known. After that, it's simple as just letting it do its thing. You'll see a progress indicator. The light itself will go from blinking to a high brightness on, constant on mode as it sets itself up. And once that's completed, then it'll shoot over to 100% and you'll be able to control your light. Obviously there's a million different functions in this thing, so I'm not going to go over all of them. So clearly it's kind of difficult to tell how bright or not bright this is. It's actually daytime right now, and I've got it in a lamp where it really shouldn't be. It should be more in a recessed light, but it does give off a fair amount of light, and the colors are actually really rich and bright colors. The cool thing is if you actually go through this manual, it will tell you. I'm having a hard time finding it right now because I'm trying to work with one hand, but even if you don't find it in the manual, there are actually there are ways to configure these bulbs with macros basically. So you can see the specs on this here: 13 watts, 1300 lumens. There are ways to set up macros and voice commands that will set up a certain program, but overall, really cool bulbs. Probably throw these maybe in the bedroom for some mood lighting, or if you have like a theater setup or whatever it is. Kind of cool to have. So yeah, there you go.